What's up, guys? We'll be doing a gaming test on the Note 8 Pro, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with Call of Duty Mobile. You just check on the graphics. You can see very high frame rates. Let's go ahead and get started.
Reloading. Cover me. Changing mag! Recon ready for deployment.
And so far the phone is not getting warm at all. And the game's not really lagging. Haven't noticed any lag at all on the highest setting, so that's very nice. Frame rates are extremely smooth.
Changing mag! Reloading. Killer drone on standby. Reloading. Cover me!
What?
Missile on standby.
I know y'all saw me shoot that guy. Snap.
Reloading. Recon ready for deployment.
Alright, so on PUBG I am able to play on high graphics. See, I can go to HDR, Ultra. Looks very nice. Let's go ahead and get into it now. The phone is starting to get a little bit warm since we booted into this and got out of the Call of Duty, so let's see if it gets a little bit warmer. Now, I'm not really noticing the phone get any warmer, but as you can see, we're lag free. So no real issues here. Alright guys, so we're in Fortnite, and let's go ahead and check the graphics. So you can see we're on high, 30 frames per second. Yeah, so we're on the highest settings. So let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so we're in the game, and the game looks pretty nice, so it's not lagging. Like I said, we're on high graphics. 3D resolution, can we turn that up? Looks very, very good. Alright, so it is warm to the touch, but it's not uncomfortable, which is good. So this phone does not really have any heating problems. I hate the controls on this game. Oh, what? I hate this game. Oh boy. Man. This is so stupid. Oh no. Boy. This is so dumb. Well, I think Alright, so yeah guys, you know, it's not overheating. The game experience is fine.